Seville, the charming city of Spain. Seville is the capital and largest city of the autonomous community of Andalusia. This beautiful city lies on the plain of the river Guadalquivir and at a point about 54 miles from north of the Atlantic Ocean and about 340 miles from southwest of Madrid. Seville is famous for its flamenco dancing and architectural designs, also the largest city in the southern Spain. It was said to have been built by Hercules himself, and its fascinating history makes it one of the Spain's most intriguing places to visit. Seville is also the hottest major metropolitan area in Europe, with summer average high temperatures of above 35 degrees Celsius. History of this charming city. Seville was originally known as Iberian town. Under the Romans, it flourished from the 2nd century before Common Era onward as Hispales, and it was an administrative center of the province of Baetica. The Silingi Vandals made it the seat of their kingdom early in the 5th century Common Era, but in year 1461 it passed under Visigothic rule. The Spanish discovery of the Americas brought new prosperity to the city. Sevilla became the center of the exploration and exploitation of America through the Casa de Contratación, which was established there in year 1503 to regulate commerce between Spain and the New World. Culture. Its mixed architecture and celebrated flamenco make Andalusia's largest city one of passion, history, and irresistible charm. Home to Moorish monuments, fine art, flamenco, endless festivals, and the world's largest Gothic cathedral, Seville is the city of passion where matadors and cantadors still make their mark. Things to do in Seville. Whether you are interested in tapas or history, there is no chance that you will get bored in this charming city. The best things to do in Seville are based around beautiful weather, juicy fruits, and a relaxed vibe. The combination of Muslim and European architectural styles, known as Mudéjar, is unique to southern Spain and is an interesting part of exploring Seville. You will see grand old buildings throughout the city, along with tree-lined plazas offering much-needed shade. The flamenco spirit is a big part of the Andalusian culture, and the city knows how to have fun, particularly during the big spring festivals from March to May. During midsummer, Seville is regularly the hottest city in Europe, so dress light and pace yourself. Places to visit. Wander around Barrio Santa Cruz. The heart of Seville's tourist district, Santa Cruz is easily one of the most beautiful barrios in the whole of Spain. This neighborhood is home to many sites including the Seville's Cathedral and the Real Alcazar, a palace with gardens. Second, visit the Seville Cathedral, also known as the Cathedral of Saint Mary of the Sea. The Seville Cathedral is one of the city's most beloved landmarks. The Roman Catholic Cathedral is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and is the world's largest Gothic cathedral. Third is climb the Giralda Tower. The Giralda was once a minaret of the mosque that stood on the site of the Seville's Cathedral, but now it's Cathedral's bell tower and it's open to you to climb. In addition to the stunning views from the tower, the Giralda is also an excellent example of Seville's unique architectural styles. Fourth is visit the Alcazar. If you are a fan of Game of Thrones, then you will immediately recognize the real Alcazar de Sevilla. But even if you're not, this incredible royal palace is worth a visit. Built for King Peter of Castile, a Christian king, the Alcazar was constructed on the site of a Muslim fortress. Fifth is take a day trip to Cadiz. Cadiz is an easy day trip from Seville, taking just under 2 hours by train. The ancient port city is home to the Spanish Navy and was once a bustling port for trade and exportation. Sixth is see a flamenco show. Seville is famous for flamenco, but a few places are better than others for catching a performance. Each tableau has a different style, but regardless, you will end the night feeling exhilarated. Casa del Flamenco is one of the most popular venues. set in Andalusian patio. Seventh is have tapas at Restaurante Enrique Becerra. The Venerable Restaurante Enrique Becerra is one of the finest tapas bar in Seville. The third generation proprietor cooks a classic Andalusian fare with market fresh ingredients. And the last is learn about bullfighting. You don't actually have to see a bullfight. If the history of bullfighting is interesting to you, visit the Bullfighting Museum at the Bull Ring. The oldest bull ring in the world, Real Maestranza, has an adjacent museum that includes custom photographs and painting dedicated to the spectacle.